a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. For you, we be the richest in this fucking world. We be so comfortable, girl. It's only you for me. No lie, I've tried what they offered, they're not who I want them to be. That's not an offer to me. If you're mine, baby, when you ain't with me, you feel alone. And I was wondering if you always know. It don't have to be perfect, I feel like it's worth it. I know now that I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. She's from Nicaragua, thought she was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time, you know I'm partying alone. Just wanna chill with you, oh no. I wanna turn up on, I wanna turn you on, I wanna lay with you, that's the least I'ma do. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I can see you out your face. And you feel it, now you can feel it, babe. Can you feel it, now you can feel it, babe. And you feel it, now you can feel it, babe. Can you feel it, now you can feel it, babe. Cause you real, cooking you right, loving you there. Kissing you slow.
I think talk all my bitches on face. Don't let that girl fuck anybody.
Hi girlies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sade, if you don't know already, and welcome to a new vlog. Y'all, I woke up so early today. I'm so proud of myself. I woke up literally at 8:30 this morning, and I have been in a horrible routine. Okay, let me just start with that. I've literally been in a horrible routine, waking up at 11 a.m. insane, not vlogging my usual days, not keeping up with my laundry, my cleaning and stuff like that. So I have been down bad lately, super down bad lately, and honestly I have not had a routine since probably January. Yeah, probably about January. So the start of this year has been all fun and games. Now I'm settling down a little bit, okay? I'm settling down. I'm getting back to my routine. I'm gonna start waking up early again, getting back on my cleaning routines, my health routines, skincare routines, journal routine, all my routines that I normally usually do. I'm getting back into it, and yeah, I'm ready to be like the best me possible again. So, you know, we go through phases, we go in and out of, you know, being strict on yourself and then falling out of that, doing whatever, eating bad, you guys know the deal. I'll talk about that probably maybe in my next my girl talk series. But yeah, as you guys seen, I just cleaned my room. I feel great. My sheets and all my bedding stuff is in the washing machine. I just did my hair and I'm about to get ready. We have a few things that, well, I have a few things that I need to do today, and I need to go to 5 and Below. It's Lilo's birthday this week, so his birthday is Sunday, and I need to go get him this Apple Watch band that he bought when we went to 5 and Below, and he wore it to work and it broke. So I'm gonna go get him a new one. So I'm gonna get ready and we're gonna go to 5 and Below and probably do a little bit of errands after that. So yeah, I'm not gonna get too crazy ready because I do work today. So I'm probably gonna do a little bit of moisturizer, sunscreen, and mascara, and probably just chapstick as I have now. So yeah, guys, I'm happy to finally be vlogging my normal vlogs again, and not just like all going out content, because y'all know I've been going out a lot, and I haven't had any substance to my vlogs. So I'm happy to be getting back into my routine and vlogging my normal vlogs. So yeah, enough of me ranting. Okay, we're gonna get ready real quick. It's gonna take me probably about 5-10 minutes, and then we will head out. Okay, y'all, so this is my little fit. I decided to put on a cap that I got the other day from the swap meet. Just a little plain white tee, and then some mom jeans and some ones. So I'm all ready, and I think it's time for us to get on the road before it gets too late and I'll have to go to work. So y'all, we have a little change of plans. 5 and Below is closed again. I did come yesterday and they were closed because I guess that they're doing like some type of construction or remodeling, something like that, and I just went, yeah, they're closed. So I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's and just get some stuff to make a salad. I'm definitely gonna try my best to stop eating fast food. It's definitely gonna be hard, and often trips to the grocery store. Y'all, the amount of money that I spend on fast food a month is insane. I probably spend like $300 or $400 literally just on fast food. Yeah, other than that, just gonna get my salad stuff and get up out of there, probably go back home, finish my laundry, and continue to be productive until I go to work. So let's go to Trader Joe's.
Couldn't slide by 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. 500 for your fucking hair, 200 for your fucking nails. You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair. Girl, I got you another dress, so bring your ass up down them stairs. I buy you shit because you wear it, and plus because you know I care. But you know you love it here, that's why you keep on coming there. Your nigga can't come swear. He tried but never did it too weird, baby. I'll come and stop by 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. 500 for your fucking hair, 200 for your fucking nails. You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair.
Okay, y'all, so I just made my salad for work. And I want to show you guys literally my go-to salad. I make this salad all the time when I'm tired of like eating fast food and stuff like that. So I put goat feta from Trader Joe's. I cooked some chicken, some lemon pepper chicken. I put avocados. I cut the Persian cucumbers really little. I also have just these little tomatoes. I forgot what they're called, cherry tomatoes, and I cut them like in half. They're already small anyway. And then I do some purple onions, the avocados right there. I do spinach for my lettuce or whatever. And then I do somewhere in here I do radish. So I cut radish and I put them in there. Y'all, this salad is literally my go-to favorite salad ever. Sometimes I eat it with chicken, sometimes I eat it without chicken, but it's so refreshing. It's so light and it's literally super easy to make. I'm gonna put the recipe down in the description box in case if you guys want to make some. Literally all of this ingredients will last me, not this one, but buying all the ingredients, it'll last me probably like 4 days. So 4 days worth of salad. And then I also make, like I said, I also make my own dressing. And if you guys want this dressing, I will link this recipe in the description box below. But yeah, I am at work, so I'm about to get ready and clock in, you know. I also love this Trader Joe's. So yeah guys, I'm gonna get to work and I will see you guys later. Currently 6:40 p.m. and guys, we have so much to do today and I've done so much already. Today's Friday, by the way, and I just did my nails, which I did red cheetah print. I just did them, and then right now I'm about to do my lashes. They've been coming out really good and they really mimic lash extensions. So I've been doing these just to save money for a little bit and to save time. But I'm about to start getting ready. Tonight we have a birthday party to go to, which is Chentes' birthday. He is a part of our little group, gang and him to be exact. It's his birthday today, so all of us, the gang, we're gonna go out and have dinner and some drinks. But I'm gonna sit and chat a little bit, do my makeup, and okay girlies, I just got done getting ready, and I did my makeup and my hair. Lilo just got here, so we're gonna leave, and let me show you guys my fit real quick. I'm wearing just this cheetah long dress with these platform heels, and I think it looks so cute. So we're running late, of course, so yeah, we're gonna get going and I'll see you guys at the restaurant.
back with another vlog, man. Turn up, cut.
This for my bitches straight bustin' out the bottom. Lot of niggas tryna ride right beside her. Off the red beside, don't know desperado. Ain't no putting on, still the money real. So tell me who had the upper hand. When your friends treat you better than a nigga can. Baby going hard, so they gotta come umbrella. Bad black spider doing donuts like Dilla. They ain't ring bells, we humble the best men. Penthouse, please staying at the West End. Pull up with some thugs who girls are destined. Bitches seeing stars is giving impressions.
Sad streets and fever, dreaming private when you fly away. Spending the weekend trying to please you, didn't even smile.
Celebrating his birthday, we're right here on the rock. Pa' que le caigan a la orden pa'l desorden.
Happy birthday to my dog Chentes. You're right here.
Happy birthday, Chente. I love you, dude. Oh my God, you're the best.
We're about to get him fucked up tonight, for real.